When it comes to authentic Italian espresso, few names hold as much prestige as Bialetti. Renowned for its elegant and highly functional designs, Bialetti has been at the heart of traditional espresso brewing for decades. With this Bialetti Nuova Brikka 2 Cups Mocha cafeteria, the company takes espresso making to a new level, offering a product that brings professional quality espresso right to your home. In this detailed review, we'll explore the features, benefits, and why the Bialetti Nuova Brikka should be your go-to choice for crafting the perfect cup of espresso. If you've ever dreamed of mastering the art of espresso without leaving the house, this review is for you. One of the most impressive aspects of the Bialetti Nuova Brikka is its revolutionary patented valve column. This unique system ensures your espresso is brewed at twice the pressure and in half the time of a traditional mocha pot, resulting in rich, creamy espresso with an unparalleled intensity of flavor. Whether you're a seasoned espresso enthusiast or a beginner looking to dip your toes into the espresso world, this coffee maker's advanced features and user-friendly design make it an excellent investment. The newly designed boiler is another standout feature. Its innovative structure guarantees even heat distribution, ensuring that each brew extracts maximum flavor from your coffee grounds. The Brikka's aluminum construction makes it suitable for both gas and electric hobs, giving you the flexibility to brew anywhere, whether at home or while traveling. The Bialetti Nuova Brikka creates espresso that rivals anything you'd find in a high-end cafe. What makes this possible is the new valve system, which increases pressure to create a much thicker crema, the creamy foam on top of espresso, than you would typically get from a mocha pot. Crema is often considered the heart of a great espresso, and the Brikka delivers it beautifully. With each brew, you'll get a 30cc cup of espresso that is nearly twice as concentrated as regular mocha coffee. That means more robust flavors, a richer aroma, and a stronger kick. It's the perfect solution for those who crave an authentic Italian espresso experience right at home. Imagine sipping on a velvety, bold espresso that rivals your favorite coffee shop's brew, made right in your own kitchen. That's the magic the Bialetti Brikka brings to your daily routine. Despite its advanced features, the Bialetti Nuova Brikka is remarkably easy to use. The clear instructions ensure that even first-time users will be able to create perfect espresso after a couple of practice runs. Like most mocha pots, there is a learning curve. You'll need to season the pot by running water-only cycles before brewing coffee. But once you're familiar with the process, brewing becomes a quick and enjoyable task. The practical water level indicator on the Brikka makes it easy to add the correct amount of water for each brew. This takes the guesswork out of preparation and ensures consistent results every time. For safety, Bialetti has included an exclusive safety valve, which is both easy to inspect and clean. This guarantees a worry-free brewing experience, and the anti-scald nylon handle ensures that the pot is safe and comfortable to use. Plus, the design is not only functional but elegant, with smooth curves and a polished aluminum finish that will look great in any kitchen. As much as the Bialetti Nuova Brikka has to offer, it's important to know that this espresso maker requires a bit of attention during the brewing process. Unlike automatic coffee machines, you'll need to watch it carefully to prevent the coffee from becoming too bitter. Maintaining the right stovetop temperature is crucial for the perfect brew. But for true coffee lovers, this is part of the charm, a hands-on approach to crafting the ideal espresso. If you're willing to spend a few extra minutes perfecting your brew, the reward is a cup of espresso that's rich, flavorful, and packed with creamy goodness. One of the best aspects of the Bialetti Nuova Brikka is its portability and versatility. With a 2-cup capacity, this espresso maker is perfect for personal use or for sharing a quick coffee break with a friend. It's compact enough to bring with you when traveling, so you never have to settle for subpar hotel coffee. Whether you're at home or on the go, this coffee maker ensures you can enjoy high-quality espresso whenever you need a pick-me-up. Could you imagine starting your day without coffee? With the Bialetti Brikka, you never have to. Brew fresh, rich espresso in just minutes, no matter where you are. If you're looking for a thoughtful gift for the coffee lover in your life, the Bialetti Nuova Brikka makes an excellent choice. Its combination of style, functionality, and authentic Italian coffee-making tradition makes it a standout gift. Whether they're new to espresso or a seasoned barista, this coffee maker is sure to impress. Conclusion: why the Bialetti Nuova Brikka is worth every penny. The Bialetti Nuova Brikka 2-cup espresso maker isn't just another mocha pot, it's a revolution in home espresso brewing. From its patented valve system to its rich crema, every detail is designed to help you brew the perfect espresso. While there's a bit of a learning curve, the reward is a superior cup of coffee that's worth the effort. If you value flavor, quality, and a hands-on brewing experience, this coffee maker is the perfect addition to your kitchen. With its easy-to-use features, safety measures, and compact design, it's ideal for both beginners and experienced coffee lovers. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.